2021. All right, viewers, shifting focus away from Australia towards what's happening in India. Now, heavy rain and landslides have hit northern India, killing at least 34 people and disrupting amenities. Now, a landslide near the Vaishno Devi shrine claimed 30 lives, while flooding last week in Kishtwar left 60 dead and 200 missing. The Indian Meteorological Department forecasts more rain and storms for Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Authorities, meanwhile, are working to restore electricity, water and telecommunications as rivers overflow and bridges collapse. Listen in to what some of the tourists have said.
से मैं आया है बिहार का चंपारण डिस्ट्रिक्ट का है। मेरा नाम है दशरथ राउत। हम यहाँ पर आए हैं, यहाँ पर फंस गए हैं। ट्रेन जो थी वो बंद हो चुकी है। हम लोग जाने के कठिनाई है। किस तरह हम लोग बिहार पहुंचे, हम लोग अपना दर्शन का कराए। हम लोग दर्शन करके आराम से चले आए। जब आए तो सुने जो बहुत बड़ा घटना हो गया वहाँ, लेकिन हम लोग उनके थी से मैं दरबार से सबसे उतर आए। हम लोग माता के थी से हम लोग बारिश के मारे फंस गए यहाँ पर। उसके बाद हम लोग जाने का हम लोग का दिक्कत हो रहा, कोई साधन नहीं है। ट्रेन बंद हो चुका है।
Apart from this, we're also learning that a massive rescue operation has been launched in the Pargwal area, where about 20 Jawans of the Border Security Force have been stuck in the flash floods, even as rescue operations are taking place over there. A lot of NDRF teams have been deployed, whether in Srinagar, Udhampur, Riyasi, Kishtwar, Jammu and Samba. So rescue operations are in full swing. Meanwhile, joining us on the broadcast is Mr. Ajit Kumar. He's the Managing Director of the Khushi Gram Foundation, joining us live from New Delhi. Thank you so much for taking our time speaking to us on NewsX. It's very unfortunate what is taking place in Jammu and Kashmir. 34 people have lost their lives up until now. Do you know of people who are stuck there, and what is the situation on ground? What are they telling you?
See, actually, now since some trains have been restored, so it has become slightly easy to rescue and for the relief operations and also for the forces also to reach there. But the situation is still very challenging and tough because the kind of terrain we have there and the kind of the numbers of pilgrims also visiting, it's really tough now. And everywhere we are seeing the same thing: the Himachal and before that Uttarakhand. So we have to be very cautious. The real challenge is being cautious, take extra action and strong action on this. So I think the forces are doing good, but still we need to be aware, and there has to be more training on this, of not only at schools and colleges, but for the masses everywhere.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for taking our time speaking to us on NewsX World. With that, viewers, we must wrap up